everyone! Welcome to Friday Cooking. Now today we are going to be making some tasty mini pancake muffins. That's right, you heard me, pancake muffins. Now all you really need is some pancake batter, the topping, so I've got some chocolate and some strawberries I've sliced up. But you can also use sprinkles, blueberries, raspberries, you can use nuts if you want, whatever you'd like to put in as your topping. And you just need a muffin tin and some oil to grease up your muffin tin so that way your pancakes do not stick to the pan. Now for the batter, you need to, you can either get some batter mix and mix it just from what the bag says, or you can make your own batter. Now these are American style pancakes, and I'm going to be putting a recipe for you in the description if you want to make your own batter as well. So I've just put in the jug so it's easier to pour in, but the first thing I need to do is grease up my muffin tin. So I'm just going to take my lid off of my spray. Now if you don't have it in a spray bottle, you can always just pour just a tiny bit inside of each one of the tins, the muffin tins, and just take a brush, or you can use some cling wrap and just rub it around all the edges, and that will make it nice and greased up for you. So I'm just gonna make sure I get all of them. Perfect. Now you can ask your mom, your dad, or your guardian to do that for you, or you can have fun and do it yourself. Now, when you pour the batter, I'm just going to move my ingredients over. When you pour the batter into the muffin tin, you only want to put it about halfway, so it's not full all the way to the top, because the pancake batter will rise while it's baking in the oven. Now for the best part, the decorating of our muffins for our pancakes. So I'm just going to place it on like that. And what I'm going to do is do some with chocolate, some with strawberries, and maybe I'll do a little bit of both. So all you have to do is just put them on top. So it's just resting on top. Might press them in just a tiny bit. Perfect. So there you have it. So I just got them inside just a bit. Now, before you put them into the oven, make sure you have your oven at 175 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to be putting them into the oven for about, it says, the recipe does say about 15-20 minutes. However, you know your oven best, so make sure you do check them. I'm going to put my muffins in for between 10 and 15 minutes just because I know my oven cooks rather hot compared to some of the other ovens. So my oven's already preheated, so I'm going to pop mine in right now, and I'll see you in about 15 minutes. Well, that was my timer, so let's check to see if they're ready. Make sure you have some oven mittens to make sure you pull them out, otherwise you'll burn your hands. It's good to ask your parent or guardian to do that for you. Oh, beautiful. There we go. What you're looking for is that the pancake muffins, when you touch the top, they're a bit springy. So they're soft and springy, and that means that they are ready. I'm just going to let them cool for a second, and I'm going to get myself a cooling rack out where I can transfer them once they've cooled. So this is my cooling rack. So I'll put them there. I'm going to take a knife and a fork just to go around the edge. Oh, I might not even have to. I'm going to just pop them out and put them them on the rack to cool, so that way we can eat them sooner. Beautiful. I'm just going to move this pan and put it in the sink, that way no one gets burnt. Perfect. Now once your muffins have cooled, you can eat them. Now you can eat them just by holding them and eating them like a muffin, or you can use a knife and fork and drizzle some golden syrup or maple syrup on top. It's up to you how you want to eat them. And I'm going to give one of these a try. The strawberry one. Look how nice and golden it is on the sides and on top. Really tasty. Thank you for joining me today, Friday Cooking, and I hope you have a lovely weekend. Take care.